Welcome to HealthVault, a free online service that puts families in control of their health information. HealthVault is available free to users worldwide in 17 languages. To help explain HealthVault, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Gabriela. Gabriela is a wife, mother, and daughter. She's always been pretty healthy, but she's been working on managing her weight. Right now, Gabriela is trying to maintain her recent weight loss, and she's been doing a great job. Almost every day, Gabriela steps onto her Wi-Fi scale and records her weight. The scale syncs with HealthVault over her wireless network. Gabriela doesn't even look down when she weighs herself. HealthVault records the weights for her, and she reviews them once a week with her personal trainer. Over 200 devices connect to upload data to HealthVault. Gabriela's been exercising and using her Fitbit Zip to track her activity. Gabriela feels pretty good about her exercise routine, but now she wants to pay closer attention to her diet. She's decided that she'd like to consume between 1,700 and 1,800 calories per day. She tracks her goal in HealthVault. Then she brings her social network in to help keep her on track. At home, Gabriela keeps her Surface handy, and she uses HealthVault for Windows to record her food journal. This morning, Gabriela had an energy bar after her morning walk, so she logs it in her journal. She loves the built-in nutrition database. She can see how many calories she has left in her budget today. Of course, any information she enters in the Windows app is reflected everywhere else. That's one of the great things about HealthVault. Instead of using single-purpose apps that strand your data in silos, all your data goes to one central place where you can use it and reuse it in ways you might not have thought of yet. Unfortunately, Gabriela recently had a summer cold that got worse and worse, so she finally went to Coho Clinic where she was diagnosed with pneumonia and sent home with some medication. Coho Clinic has a patient portal where Gabriela downloaded an electronic copy of her visit summary. HealthVault helps her move all the different pieces of information from her clinic visit record into the right places in her HealthVault account to update her meds list, conditions, and so on. When she got sick, Gabriela realized that in an emergency, she might need quick access to her current medical information. She decides to use HealthVault's emergency prep feature to create a wallet card that lists her allergies, conditions, medications, and emergency contacts. As she looks at the emergency profile builder, she realizes she hasn't listed her strawberry allergy yet, so she adds it. Since she's finished her course of treatment with fluconazole, she puts an end date on it. Now it no longer appears in her emergency profile. Then she goes ahead and prints her wallet card. In an emergency, the hospital or an emergency responder could use the wallet card to get important information about her. If Gabriela adds an access code, responders can access the latest information directly from HealthVault, even if the information on her wallet card is out of date. While she's at it, she creates wallet cards for her husband and her son, too. She has individual records for them in her HealthVault account. During her last checkup, the doctor mentioned that she should keep an eye on her blood pressure, so she got a home blood pressure monitoring device from the pharmacy. Needless to say, it connects to HealthVault. The doctor also recommended the Heart 360 app created by the American Heart Association. She's surprised to learn that her blood pressure still needs improvement, so she reads the recommendations from the experts for setting and reaching a goal. Gabriela also uses the Bing Health and Fitness app to stay on top of her fitness, nutrition, and wellness. The Health and Fitness app syncs with the information Gabriela has already been gathering in HealthVault. She likes that she can see interesting content from trusted sources in addition to her own health numbers. Gabriela has the records for her whole family on her phone for easy access while she's out and about. At the doctor's office, she uses her phone to record her blood pressure and share her most recent readings. At HealthVault, we know that health happens wherever you are, not just at the doctor's office. You can connect with apps on the web, Windows, Windows Phone, iPhone, and Android. If you're living with a chronic disease like asthma or diabetes, if you have an accident or an acute illness and need to remember instructions from the doctor, if you've got kids and need to constantly be updating immunization records for camp and school, if you want to make sure your family is prepared for an unexpected medical emergency, or if you just like to gather fitness data, HealthVault can help you manage the information about your health and wellness.